The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Oklahoma City Police Department. At 9 p.m. Central Standard Time, a major car crash has occurred in downtown Oklahoma City. We advise all residents of Oklahoma City to stay away from downtown Oklahoma City until further notice. This car crash included a semi-truck, 3 SUVs, and a flatbed truck carrying a forklift. One of these vehicles have exploded and a massive fire is currently occurring. The fire department is currently extinguishing the fire at this time. Stay away from this area until this situation is over.